Hi everyone. So this video is next video in the series of integers and I am going to discuss about multiplication of integers. तो सबसे पहले थोड़ा सा एक बार रूल की बात कर लेते हैं कि हम कैसे डिसाइड करते हैं. Suppose I have to multiply -2 into -3 into -1 into 4 है ना. So first of all I will count the number of negative signs. Number of negative signs 1, 2, 3. How many negative signs I have? 3. So my answer will be negative. 3 कैसा है बच्चों? Odd है. ठीक है. Negative signs कितने हैं मेरे पास? 3, which is an odd number. So my final answer will be negative. So I will put negative over here. 3 2s are 6. 6 4s are 24. So my answer will be -24. Look at another example now. -1 into -1 into -2 into -4 into -3 into -1 again. Count the number of minus sign. 1 2 3 4 5 6. नेगेटिव साइंस मेरे पास कितने हैं? 6. 6 इवन है कि ऑड है बेटा? इवन नंबर है. सो माई फाइनल आंसर विल बी पॉजिटिव. पॉजिटिव. नाउ यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई दीज नंबर्स. 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24. ठीक है. तो what you have to do in all, you have to count the number of minus signs. If it is odd, your answer will be negative, and if it is even, your answer will be positive. So let's do some of the questions. -3 into 5. How many negative signs? 1. 1 कैसा है मेरा? Odd. 1 is my odd number, so my answer will be -15. Second question, I have 2 negative signs, so my answer will be positive because 2 कैसा number है बच्चों? 2 is an even number, so my answer will be +21. Third number, I have 1 negative, -40, -63 because I have 1 negative sign. 1 is an odd number. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. -11 into -9, 2 negative sign है. 2 कैसा number है भाई? 2 is an even number, so my answer will be +99. This is again 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. -1000 into 7 plus 7, so answer will be -7000. Quite simple. Count the negative signs and you can put the sign in your answer, right? This will be -2100. Here we have 3 negative signs, right? The next question. So my answer will be negative. 5 2s are 10. 10 into 6, 60. Look at this question. Again I have 1 negative sign, so I will put 1 minus, then 0. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. That's my answer. So you have to multiply the numbers as you do usually, and minus sign, plus sign you have to put by counting the negative signs. Take this question, question number 2. -4 into -2 into -6 and into +5. How many negative signs I have? 1, 2 and 3. So my answer will be negative. 4 2s are 8. Correct. 8 into 6, 48 multiplied by 5. You can do this calculation in the rough column as well. (240). ठीक. Now you can pause the video and you can try the remaining questions. Pause the video for 2 minutes. Try the B, C and D part on your own. Remember the rule. So this will be -125. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5, 125. 1 2 3 4. 4 negative signs. So my answer will be positive. 3 into 6 into 5. So you can do the rough calculation here. 90. तो योर आंसर इज +90. डी पार्ट 1 2 3 4 5 5 नेगेटिव हैं, तो मेरा जो आंसर है वो कैसा होगा भाई? नेगेटिव होगा, क्योंकि 5 कैसा नंबर है? इट इज़ एन ऑड नंबर, है ना. 6 5 ज़ा 30, 32 ज़ा 60. करेक्ट. शुड आई एक्सप्लेन अगेन? 6 5 ज़ा 30, 32 ज़ा 60, 63 ज़ा 180. ठीक है, -180 इज माई आंसर. Determine the integer whose product with -1 is 38. I need to find out an integer whose product with -1 is 38 and -215. Let the number be x. X into -1 gives you +38. Correct? तो दिस नंबर शुड बी नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव. ध्यान से समझो. जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. डिटरमिन एन इंटीजर हुज प्रोडक्ट विथ -1 इज गिविंग यू +38. करेक्ट. सो हियर द नंबर शुड बी -38 बिकॉज -38 इंटू -1 विल गिव यू +38. ठीक. तो माई आंसर शुड बी -38. Look at the B part, -215. So determine an integer whose product with -1. Let the number be x, whose product with -1 give you -215. Answer should be negative, and I have already here -1. So this x should be 215. Positive number चाहिए मुझे. So answer will be 215. What will be the sign of the integer if we multiply 6 negative and 1 positive? 6 नेगेटिव है, हमको सिर्फ नेगेटिव पे फोकस करना है. 6 कैसा नंबर है बच्चे? 6 इज़ एन इवन नंबर, तो माई आंसर विल बी पॉजिटिव. ठीक है, ये मेरा रफ वर्क है पिछले क्वेश्चन का. 21 नेगेटिव 2 पॉजिटिव. 21 नेगेटिव है, तो माई आंसर विल बी नेगेटिव. 299 negative and 1 positive. 299 negative है, means what? It is an odd number, so my final answer will be negative. ठीक है. Next question, if a into -1 is -20, then a will be a negative number or a positive number. See, -1 के साथ product is minus, so a should be positive because my answer is negative, right? This number should be positive, then only I will be getting the answer in negative. a into -1 is positive. पॉजिटिव है तो a को नेगेटिव होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि 2 नेगेटिव होंगे. मीन्स इफ़ आई एम हैविंग 2 negatives then only I will be getting the answer as positive. तो in this case a should be negative. So I hope you have understood the multiplication of integers nicely. In the next video I will be taking some questions based on division of integers, है ना. So till the time enjoy your maths. वीडियो पॉज करते रहिए, खुद से सॉल्व करते रहिए, enjoy करते रहिए. Thank you so much.